All right, let's get started in mountain pose. Bring the hands to prayer position in front of the heart. Close the eyes. Take a big inhale through the nose. And then out the mouth, exhale. Let it go. Good. Blink those eyes open. Circle the arms up above. On and inhale, upward salute. And then forward fold. Exhale, dive down. Flat back on the inhale, either hands to shins or fingers on the floor. And then exhale, step back to plank, pause there, take one inhale to set. And then exhale, lower down with your weight shifted forward. Release the tops of the feet, cobra pose on an inhale. And then down dog exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, take a couple of breaths. Just breathing into the body, breathing into what you're feeling. Fingers spread wide, take an inhale, drive the hips back. And then on an exhale, walk the feet forward all the way to the top of the mat. Flat back on an inhale. And then forward fold, exhale, let the head go. Inhale, rise and fly, both arms up. And then exhale, hands to prayer position in front of the heart. Good. Inhale, sweep those arms up. And then forward fold, exhale, let it go. Flat back on the inhale. Step back to plank pose, this time lower down. Same exhale. Cobra on the inhale. And then down dog on the exhale. Good, as those palms dig into the mat. Take an inhale, drive the tops of the thigh bones back. Then on an exhale, walk or jump, top of the mat. Flat back on an inhale. And then forward fold, exhale, bend the knees, take a seat. And then chair pose, reach those arms all the way up as you take a seat into that invisible chair, waking the legs up. Take a goodbye inhale there in chair, and then forward fold, exhale, let it go. Flat back on an inhale, and then step or jump back, lower down, vinyasa on the exhale. Cobra inhale, and then down dog exhale, nice and easily lift the right leg up, inhale. And then top of the mat, runner's lunge on the exhale, and back left toes, crescent pose. Take both arms and reach those all the way up like two blades straight in the sky. Take an inhale, reach up, maybe lean back and look up. And then exhale, vinyasa. Go ahead and lower down, elbows in. Backward bend, inhale. And then down dog, exhale. With control, inhale, left leg up. And then exhale, left foot, top of the mat. As you're ready, go ahead and rise and lift both arms all the way to the sky, getting steady down low. Take an inhale, reach up. And then exhale, vinyasa, lower down with fluidity and finesse. Inhale, spread across the chest. And then exhale, back, downward facing dog. Good, right leg up, inhale. Top of the mat, exhale. Crescent pose on the inhale. And then warrior two on the exhale. So rotate the upper body over to the left. Let those arms flow down and out. Line the right heel up with your back, inner left arch. And find that steady gaze, breath in the flow. Flip the right palm up. Reverse the warrior. Left hand outer left leg. Right arm reaches all the way up and back. Take an inhale, breathe into your right ribs. And then exhale back to warrior two. Right forearm on top of right thigh. Left arm to the sky. Option to stay here if you like. You can drop your right hand down into a block or the floor side angle. Go ahead and open up the left chest, inhale. And then extend the left arm forward and out on the exhale for extended side angle pose. Beautiful. Come back up to reverse warrior on the inhale. And then vinyasa, cartwheel. And lower all the way down, same exhale. Cobra up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Other side, left leg up, inhale. Top of the mat, exhale. Crescent pose, inhale, rise up. And then warrior two to the other side. So upper body to the right. Take that moment to find the alignment. Even though we're flowing and going, still moving with integrity. Left palm up, Reverse the warrior. Just come leaning back to your own degree. Take a big inhale there, and then exhale back to warrior two. And then left forearm on top of left thigh, right arm straight up to the sky. Remember, you can always go deeper if you like, if that's right for you and your body. Open up that right chest, extend that right arm forward and out. Give it one last reach goodbye, and then reverse the warrior. Inhale, come back, and then vinyasa, cartwheel and lower with control to the floor. Cobra up dog, inhale, and then down dog, exhale. Good, shift forward to plank pose, upper push-up. 5 yogi style push-ups. Inhale halfway down, exhale up 1. Inhale lower, exhale press 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale 2 more, exhale up 1 more. Inhale chaturanga, exhale plank, take an inhale there. And exhale, down dog. Good stuff, you guys. Right leg up, inhale. Right foot top of the mat, spin the back foot flat, warrior two. Reverse cartwheel up. Straighten the right knee, right leg. Scoot the back foot in a little bit closer, line the feet up heel to heel. On the inhale, reach out. And then exhale, triangle pose. So right hand comes down on top of your shin, your ankle, the foot, or even the outside of the foot on the floor. Breathe into the space. Good, take a last inhale there. And then left hand to left hip on the exhale. I'm gonna get my block here, half moon, as we shift all the way up onto that front right foot, right leg, balancing. Keep your breath steady. If and when you're ready, take that left arm and reach it all the way to the sky, flexing your left foot and radiating out your limbs away from your torso. Breathe. Good, you guys. Back to warrior two, and then reverse the warrior. Inhale, and then cartwheel the hands down to the ground. Pivot onto the left toes as you inhale. Step the left foot forward, top of the mat. Exhale. Flat back, inhale. Forward fold, exhale, bend the knees, squat, chair pose. Inhale, arms come up, hands to prayer in front of the heart, and then left elbow out of right knee, right thigh, chair twist. So left elbow down, right elbow up, give it a little squeeze, and then back to chair, inhale, forward fold, exhale, flat back, inhale, step or jump back, lower down, vinyasa, exhale. Cobra up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Left leg up, inhale. Top of the mat, exhale. Back foot flat. Warrior two with grace, rise up. Straighten that left knee, left leg. Shorten the stance up. Get the feet set. Inhale, reach out. And exhale, triangle pose. Stacking those arms, creating a little space, moving with grace. Inhale, goodbye. Right hand, right hip. Little bend in that left knee. Take your time. Half moon. As you shift up onto that front left foot, left leg, make sure you're not holding your breath. I'm saying that as a reminder for myself as well. Back leg long and strong, arms wide like wings. Nice and easily, start to bend that left knee. Float step, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down, pause, take an inhale there. Step it forward, exhale. Flat back, inhale. Fold, exhale, bend the knees. Chair pose, inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to prayer, right elbow, outer left knee, left thigh. Chair twist, other side, squeeze it out. Last little twist. And then chair, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Flat back, inhale. Step or jump back, lower down with strength, exhale. Cobra, inhale. And then last down dog, exhale. Take an inhale, press back. And then release the knees to the mat. Crawl those knees forward to the top of your mat. Cross the feet behind you. Release down onto your back. Hug the right knee in, extend the left leg forward. Spread the right arm out to the right. Twist the right knee over to the left. And then right knee back up to middle. Same thing other side, right leg forward, left arm opens. Left knee drapes to the right. And then left knee back up to middle. Hug both knees back into the belly. Take an inhale, curl the forehead up, give your body a squeeze. And then Shavasana, exhale, release down onto your back. Take a big inhale through the nose. And then out the mouth, exhale, let it go. All right, you guys, that's it for this one. Thank you for your practice. Much health, much wealth, much love to you. Namaste. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that short but sweet flow. Drop me a comment down below and let me know how it was. Also remember to check out that free trial at Interdimension TV. Thank you so much for your practice. We'll see you next time. Thank you.